I want to talk to you today about the supply chain disruption that is impacting the electronics industry. Recent global supply chain analysis of shipping and port data finds the supply chain delays that we are experiencing today are going to continue deep into 2022. And some are even predicting the disruption to prolong into 2023. In addition to delays, we are also experiencing rising prices at the fastest rate in a decade. This disruption is one of the main reasons for the surge in prices. And the disruption to the supply chain began with the pandemic. Then it was made worse by the strength of the economic rebound that we experienced in the beginning of the year, shortage of labor, and a global transportation system that is simply overloaded right now. Now we are seeing import freight rates spiking to levels never seen before. Costs to import a container are increasing by more than 300%. Container availability has also become limited, and shipping capacity itself is being reduced. The challenges are not complete once a product arrives here in the States due to a shortage of truck drivers. Also, the upcoming holiday traffic in retail goods is only increasing our challenge. When we look into the future, we see the West Coast Longshoremen's Union and Port Employers contract expiring next July, and disruptions typically accompany these contract negotiations. New pressure will also come from increasing climate regulations. A new carbon efficiency rule to be imposed in 2023 may require ships to sail at slower speeds in order to reduce emissions. This would effectively reduce desperately needed capacity from the system just when it is needed. So what's the bottom line here? Supply chain disruptions are not going away soon, and prices are increasing across the board. So be mindful when you are creating proposals and making commitments to your clients. Prices are vulnerable to future increases, and lead times can change more than we are typically accustomed to. Our intention is to help you successfully overcome this obstacle. We proactively pre-plan scheduled delivery of power supply products for our clients. We also have a massive inventory of power supplies ready to ship to you today. We reduce the impact of power supply price increases on your bottom line, and my team is simply amazing at finding an alternative power supply solution if the one you are seeking is simply not available or has become too expensive. Our most successful clients are working closely with our team to minimize the impact on their business. If you're not already working with us on your power supply planning, call into our office today and we'll help you minimize the risk of these supply chain disruptions.